an amount is divided between x, y, and z, in the ratio 2:4:7. 2:4:7. If the difference of the shares of y and z is it's 2,400 rupees. 2,400 rupees. Find the sum of the shares of x and y together. So we need sum of the sum of x plus c, sum of x plus y. Here, sum of x plus y means directly you can say x plus y is needed. Out difference by what? Given is what? Difference of y and z. But difference of y and z is how much? 2,400. X plus y is how much here? X plus y, this one, 6 parts. 2 plus 4, 6 parts. Difference is what? 3 parts. So it is 4,800. We can do this one, but it seems a little bit analytical, but you can do like this. Difference, y and z difference is how many parts here? Here. Difference is given 2,400. Here, how much parts here? It is 3 parts. 3 parts. 3 parts equivalent to 2,400. Then what they ask is x plus y together. What is x plus y ratio total? X plus y total is how much here? X plus y is 6 parts. 2 plus 4, there is 6 parts. How 3 parts has come? Difference. This is difference between y and z. That is given already 2,400. So 3 into 800 is 2,400. 6 into 800 is 4,800. This is another way of doing that one.